let me show you how you can find and manage sound and vibration settings on the Samsung S25. So first of all, we have to simply open the settings and now navigate into sound and vibration. And as you can see, first of all, we've got three different sound modes: sound, vibrations, or silent mode. Additionally, you can temporarily mute, so we can set how long you can keep your phone muted before returning to the previous sound mode, vibration. So here we can actually pick one of the following option or even set custom time. Now, when you go back into the normal mode, we can also find additional vibrations while ringing. In this place, we can change our ringtone. We can also change ringtone vibration pattern and call vibration intensity. When you go for the notification sound, it actually looks the same. When you go into the system sound, we can also change system sound theme. So it's changing basically every of this sound. And here you can also manage some system sounds, like for example, Samsung keyboard. When you navigate into the volume, we can find volume level of every sound that comes from our phone. When you tap right here, we can find media volume limit. Next, we can find some vibration settings. So it's actually the same settings that you can find on a notification sound and vibration sound. They just repeat this. Right here we can find the system of vibration intensity and vibration feedback, like for example the camera vibration feedback. In this place we can find sound quality and effect, like we got Dolby Atmos, we got sound equalizer, we got loudness, normalization, up sound settings, and there's also adapt sound and UHD upscaler. When you go into separate up sound, we can actually play media sound from apps that we select on our separate audio device, and we can make sure we choose an audio device that it's different from our main audio output device. So that's how it actually looks. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.